Hi, my name's Helena. I'm a quarter 6 student at Life University, and I really enjoyed the seminar today with Dr. Haig John. I feel a lot more inspired and excited to talk more about chiropractic, and he taught us a lot today, and I'm just feeling ready and more inspired.
I've been teaching literally since 10th quarter. You know, I've been practicing 21, almost 22 years. It is a passion of mine really to uplift our profession in every way.
I just finished up my first seminar with Dr. Haig John for Innate, and it was probably one of the coolest new techniques to learn. I love how he broke down all the material and then also proceeded to how he approaches different patients and how he adjusts them.
The muscle body, we're not massage therapists. I'm not going to the muscle. So at that ligamentous or tendon insertion, right where it's connected, that's where we want to feel the difference in tone. Mom gave birth that morning, 7 a.m. in the morning, and she's in the office by 10 a.m. getting that baby adjusted, because we've educated her how important it is. How important it is to have this child checked as soon as possible, especially if she's gone through a traumatic birth.
Really is an amazing experience to do in one day, touch the philosophy, art, and science of chiropractic, and then being able to work with him hands-on was also great. Seeing osseous adjusting as well as tonal approaches and seeing great results.
But what we're doing is unloading the pelvis, unloading the hips, and all that tension, right? We have the psoas muscle, all the muscles around the paraspinal, and unload it.
I feel like I learned so much in terms of just different approaches to adjustments that add a lot of ease in the patient, able to apply them to infants and pediatrics. Yeah, I feel like I've gained so much.
Honestly, it really opened my eyes to how important and crucial it is to really educate families, especially pregnant mamas and their babies, to get adjusted right after birth and how that can really change their whole life experience.
Even more than just at ease, but removing the duromeningeal tension. This is from adults too, and very often the vertebra just falls right into place.
It really helped me know who I am more and how I want to practice more, because sometimes when you get in school can be a little bit too complicated in how it does things, and the seminar with Dr. Haig was really helpful in helping me know my why and how I want to do things.